it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm here to show you guys the Osburn Matrix Wood Stove. So I have another video on the Inspire model. The Inspire model and the Matrix model are kind of similar in their boxy kind of square shape with the log storage area underneath. This model is shown with the soapstone on the top of the stove, and it can also be ordered with soapstone panels on the side, which is going to give it much more traditional style look. Now on this model, the full frame of the door is going to be cast iron rather than the black glass on the Inspire, which is much more contemporary. So the Matrix is definitely going to be much more traditional in styling. Inside the firebox door, it is fully gasketed. I really like the Matrix because as far as like viewing area, it has one of the widest viewing areas available for a wood stove. This model is EPA 2020 approved, but does not meet the qualifications for the 26% tax credit. Inside the firebox, it is standard size fire brick. You do have the reburn tubes and the baffle system. And then of course, as with all the Osburn wood stoves, they have a very excellent air wash, which keeps your glass burning nice and clean. You do just have the one single damper control, which is located on the bottom of the stove. Also on the Matrix, it does come standard with this door handle, so you don't need to use that same tool on the Inspire model, which has that clean base. So this is the Osburn Matrix. If you guys enjoy these product overviews, please don't forget, give them a quick thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.